Everyone's talking about crypto. Prices are climbing, the buzz is everywhere, and it feels like a wave you either ride or miss. But let's pause for a second. This isn't about hype. This is about understanding the potential of cryptocurrencies during this bull run and how you can think strategically, not emotionally. Before we dive in, remember, this content is purely educational. It is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. My goal is to give you knowledge so you can make smarter, informed decisions. Bitcoin has been called digital gold for a reason. Its supply is limited, it's decentralized, and it's increasingly recognized as a store of value. During a bull run, many investors turn to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and currency weakness. Historically, its price movements often lead the broader crypto market, making it a key reference point for understanding potential opportunities. Ethereum is more than a cryptocurrency. It powers the decentralized economy. Smart contracts, decentralized applications, and emerging decentralized finance (DeFi) projects run on Ethereum. A bull run doesn't just lift Ethereum's price, it accelerates activity across its ecosystem. More projects, more users, and more value flowing through Ethereum are the reasons it stands out during market upswings. This bull run also highlights Layer 2 scaling solutions and selected altcoins. These projects solve real problems: faster transactions, lower fees, and new financial services. While they carry higher risk than Bitcoin or Ethereum, they also present opportunities for innovation-driven growth in the crypto space. Institutional adoption and market momentum play a critical role. Corporations, financial institutions, and even governments are increasingly participating in crypto. Bull markets are often fueled by this momentum. As more players enter, liquidity rises, infrastructure improves, and overall market confidence strengthens. Understanding these trends allows you to contextualize price movements beyond mere speculation. Crypto markets are volatile. Even during a bull run, sharp corrections are normal. Risk management is key. Learning about market cycles, understanding historical patterns, and approaching crypto with strategy rather than emotion is the best hedge against unnecessary losses. Crypto has incredible potential, but only if approached with knowledge, patience, and strategy. Remember, this content is bourse educational only, not financial advice. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button to help more people understand the crypto landscape, and share it with friends curious about digital assets. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Not Riches for more educational insights, financial intelligence, and strategies to navigate wealth in today's changing world. The future of money is evolving, and your understanding of it is the most powerful asset you can have.